Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa. Thank you for joining me. Today I want to do a kind of a chatty get ready with me. It's not super chatty. I know I'm going to cut a lot out of this because I did get pretty chatty. But I just wanted to get ready and not be super in depth with things and just kind of have a chill video. A lot of the times I get so in depth with I'm putting this here, I'm blending this like this, and I'm doing this because of this reason, that I don't get to just chill out and talk to you guys a little bit to where you can get to know me better and you guys can comment so I can get to know you better. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this style of video. If you do, please subscribe and let's get into this. So we're not going to talk about this hair. My flyaways and baby hairs are freaking outrageous. They're just outrageous. So we are going to start out with the face, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. I want a fuller coverage today. If I was going for a more natural look, I would definitely use the Revlon Candid. Still love this. I still love it. It looks so natural on the skin. You cannot feel it. So I have learned with this foundation, I do one side at a time because it can dry quickly on me. Oh, and I went ahead and I primed just my porous areas with the Catrice Prime and Fine Smoothing Refiner. And let me put this hair back. Okay. And I'm just rubbing this on my face. And then we're gonna blend it out with a brush. Be great if you could see that, huh? And I started using a new cleanser. And wow, my skin did not like it. It's heavily fragranced, so that could be the issue. I don't know. But no, I got horrible cystic acne on my chin. Just big, huge knots under your skin. It is awful. Luckily, it is going away. Fingers crossed. Hopefully we're good. But yeah, it was not a fun time. So I just wanted to sit down and just do a more casual video and let you guys know where my computer was being a dick. My audio would not work, so there was a little bit of a span there where I didn't upload, and I wanted to just let you guys know why. It wasn't because I didn't want to. I had several videos filmed, but I couldn't get them uploaded. So hopefully we're good now. Hopefully. And then on the forehead, I'm just going to use the sponge. This is my EcoTools sponge. I have lines on my forehead, so I don't like too much foundation up there. And actually that was still too much, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, so we got the foundation on. We're gonna go in with the Catrice Liquid Camouflage, and this is not the right shade for me. It's too light, and the one I got it out of, like the little container in Ulta, it said it was a different color. It's actually a lighter color. So I'm first gonna go in with the Rimmel Wake Me Up Anti-Fatigue and Radiant Glow Concealer, because this is medium. Let me show you how dark this guy is. Like, this is a very dark medium. Like, it's dark. Also, this is such a weird shirt. I can't wear a bra with it because it shows bra straps, and it looks not good with a strapless bra. I don't know. I don't know what this shirt is doing, honestly. Alright, so I'm just putting that right on top to just highlight and then a little on the cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. I cannot put anything on my nose because it does not matter. Literally, it does not matter what foundation I have on. It will remove it. So that's always a fun time. And then nothing special here. Just blending all this out with the sponge. Okay. So concealer is all blended out. Dropping stuff. Yep. So now we're going to go in with the Essence Banana Powder. I actually really do like this powder. Normally, I don't like banana powders very much, but I really like the tone of this one. So, I'm just going to lightly tap to disperse all of that all around the under eye area. I don't know if it is my allergies or if I'm just getting sick, but my head, sinuses, whole air, literally everything in my head. It's just so bad. And I live in Kentucky, so we skip spring and we skip fall. So last week it's 80 degrees and this week it's 30. So I'd say a lot of people here in Kentucky are gonna be sick. I would love to live somewhere where it is just warm all the time. Like 60s to 80s, 90s, perfect. Like I am totally good with that. For bronzer, we're gonna go in with it's a Pixie palette. And I'm gonna mix both these bronzing shades right here. And definitely tap it off because this is very, very pigmented. And normally I start here, but I've kind of been liking starting from here. I don't know, but I like it. On to the temples. I have a super duper round face, so definitely want to get those temples. I'm so happy that Riverdale has started back. I'm like addicted to Riverdale. Like I love it. Started watching it on Netflix and then I got pretty well addicted to it, so now I watch it on the regular TV channel because it's just that good. It's just that good. Oh shit. Gonna have to blend that out. I always do that on this side. I don't know why. Why? I'm just pulling it back into the hairline. I'm gonna grab my sponge to try to blend that out. I got this from the dollar store and I'm not kidding. Let me do a swatch right here, a swatch. The packaging is horrific. It's super big and bulky, but watch this. Yes, I mean, come on. And this would work for a lot of skin tones. Like, even if you are light, this is gonna work for you. So, we're gonna put that right on the high points of the cheek, of course. And I do little gentle circular motions. And as you can see, that is flippin' stunning. And this side. And circular motions. Like, do you guys see this? I hope this is picking up on camera as beautifully as it is. Like, what? What? $3? Yes. So what are some shows you all watch? We totally need some new shows. We love The Walking Dead, and I don't know if Rick is just leaving or if The Walking Dead, the original, like if they're just quitting, So I hope they don't quit, but I read somewhere that Daryl was going to take over like Rick's character. That will never work. I know everyone loves Daryl, but he is no Rick, and I do not see him being able to be the star of the show, like to be the leader. No. Okay. Oh man, this is a chatty video. I'm gonna have to edit a lot out of this video. So we are going in with the Note Desert Rose Blush. And I'm also using all drugstore brushes, tools. Everything I've used is drugstore. So this is pretty dang pigmented. So I just gently kind of put that at the apple and run it just a little bit out. But I know this brush isn't like what most people would use for blush. It is a blush brush, but most people don't like, you know, this kind of style of a brush. But I'm telling you, I love it. Like, I love it. All right, I'm gonna run my sponge over kind of the apples of my cheek. Like, do you see this? Like, what? I'm telling you, my hair, like all my baby hairs are growing out, and it's just, it's horrid. Like, it looks awful. We are going to use the Milani Super Dirty Most Love Mattes. Let me clean my brushes really quick. Not really cleaning them, just with this guy. I bet that's a good sound though. ASMR, here we come. Now we are gonna go in with this fellow right here and lightly put that in our upper crease. So we have a goat, and we've had goats before, but we had little goats, like we had pygmies. So we got one, she was just a baby. We've had her for a couple months now, and she's a big goat. She's like a Nubian. And I'm telling you, she is so stinking funny. Like how you see goats and they just run and jump and kick. I'm telling you, she's hilarious. We just love her. I would love to get more, but we would have to do some fencing outside and all that jazz. But I'm telling you, I love her. Like, I just love her. All right, now we're gonna go in with this fella, and we're gonna put him right in our crease and then blend it up. Something simple and kind of fall. Okay, switching brushes again, and we're gonna go in with this orange shade right here. And this is where we are gonna throw some color into the mix. Milani really has quality products for the drugstore. It's kind of like, I know I can get any of these kind of palettes and they're gonna be good. All right, I'm gonna take this guy right here and run it all on the lid. And then for the inner corner, I'm taking a little bit of that one. Now I'm gonna go in with this dark brown here and just put a little bit of that on our outer corner. I'm grabbing a little bit more of our orange shade here and running that right in the crease, just to orange this up a bit. Yeah, I'm liking it, I'm liking it. Okay, so for my brows, I'm using this $2 e.l.f. brow pencil, and I'm gonna go off camera and finish up this eye, and I might do a wing, I don't know yet. And my lashes, I got some new ones. These are the Kiss Ritzy lashes. It says True Volume on it. So I'm gonna put these on. These were like $2.67 or something at Walmart, super cheap. So we're gonna try these out. And so I used the lashes I said, I threw on some liner, And what else did I do? I put a little bit of the highlighter on the inner corner. Just the usual stuff. Okay, so now we are going to use the Pixie Matte Last Liquid Lip in All Natural. Okay, it's a lot peachier than I thought it was going to be. I wanted more of a rosy lip. Okay, hold that thought. We're going in with Really Rose. Oh, my allergies. I feel like duty. There we go. This still is pulling a lot pinker than I wanted. Like, it's not really rosy, it's pinky on me. All right, I'm gonna try to put some of this L'Oreal Havana gloss on top of it. I really don't know. I mean, I love this gloss, but this is not the color I was going for. My dog is outside going off. Now my goat is out here screaming. So if you all hear that, yes, that's my goat. Okay, so this is how we are going to leave it. I really like the look. I like the products. I mean, it's all drugstore products. You can't really go wrong with really good, affordable products. So, I hope that you all enjoyed this get ready with me and kind of a quick tutorial. And I hope you guys subscribe and hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.